Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have given last 3 month current affairs, very important for your upcoming all competitive exam. For the PDF, join the channel and check describe below. Like, comment and subscribe. Then without waste your time, let's start. Question 1. Who was appointed as the Indian new Chief of Defence Staff CDS in May 2026? Option A, General Anil Chauhan. Option B, Lieutenant General Anis Raja Subramani. General Manoj Pandey. Lieutenant General Upendra Trivedi. Correct answer, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Who became the new Chief of Naval Staff in 2026? Option A, Vice Admiral Sanjay Mahindru. Option B, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Option C, Vice Admiral Dinesh Tripathi. Option D, Vice Admiral Tarun Shopti. Correct answer, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Who was appointed CEO of Uday in 2026? Option A, Saurabh Vijay. Option B, Amit Agarwal. Option C, Rajesh Kumar. Option D, Sanjay Jaju. Correct answer, Saurabh Vijay. Who was appointed chairman of Prasan Bharati in May 2026? Option A, Prasan Joshi. Option B, Shekhar Kapur. Option C, Sanjay Jaju. Option D, Gaurav Dwivedi. Correct answer, Prasan Joshi. Who was appointed chairman of the Rajya Sabha Committee on Petitions? Option A, Raghav Chadda. Option B, Piyush Goyal. Option C, Kiran Rijiju. Option D, Derek O'Brien. Correct answer, Raghav Chadda. Which country conferred as international honor on PM Narendra Modi in 2026? Option A, Sweden. Option B, Canada. Option C, Australia. Option D, Japan. Correct answer, Sweden. Which Nordic country honored PM Narendra Modi in 2026? Option A, Denmark. Option B, Norway. Option C, Finland. Option D, Iceland. Correct answer, Norway. Which major cricket tournament concluded in May 2026? Option A, ICC Champion Trophy. Option B, IPL 2026. Option C, Asia Cup. Option D, Ranji Trophy. Correct answer, IPL 2026. Which country hosted the BRICS-related New Delhi Declaration discussed in May 2026? Option A, Brazil. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, Russia. Correct answer, India. Which strategic waterway became a major focus during the West Asia energy crisis? Option A, Panama Canal. Option B, Suez Canal. Option C, Strait of Hormuz. Option D, Malacca Strait. Correct answer, Strait of Hormuz. Which Indian operation complete its first anniversary in May 2026? Option A, Operation Ganga. Option B, Operation Sindoor. Option C, Operation Kaveri. Option D, Operation Ajoy. Correct answer, Operation Sindoor. Which country was involved in the interim pact mentioned in June 2026? Option A, Iran. Option B, Japan. Option C, Brazil. Option D, Canada. Option A, right answer, Iran. Which chaired the 11th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog? Option A, Narendra Modi. Option B, Amit Shah. Option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. Option D, Rajnath Singh. Correct answer, Narendra Modi. Which major football tournament commenced in June 2026? Option A, UEFA Euro. Option B, FIFA World Cup. Option C, AFC Asian Cup. Option D, Copa America. Correct answer, FIFA World Cup. Who recently became India's 96th chess grandmaster? Who recently became India's 96th chess grandmaster? Option A, Ethan Vach. Option B, Arvind Chidambaram. Option C, Harshavardhan GB. Option D, Arjun Erigaisi. Correct answer, Ethan Vach. Which Indian state became the first to launch a dedicated senior citizen welfare department in 2026? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer, Kerala. The new senior citizen welfare department in Kerala came to existence on which date? Option A, 1st May 2026. Option B, 15 May 2026. Option C, 20 May 2026. Option D, 1st June 2026. Correct answer, 20 May 2026. Majuli Island recently features is located in which state? Option A, Assam. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Meghalaya. Option D, Tripura. Correct answer, Assam. Which sector was one of the major categories covered in June 2026? Option A, economy and finance. Option B, only agriculture. Option C, only sports. Option D, only defense. Correct answer, economy and finance. Institution will establish India's first center of design excellence in nuclear engineering. Option A, IIT Hyderabad. Option B, IIT Bombay. Option C, IIT Madras. Option D, IIT Kanpur. Correct answer, IIT Hyderabad. Which country was associated with the FIFA World Cup 2026? Option A, Canada, Mexico and USA. Option B, India, Nepal and Bhutan. Option C, France, Germany and Italy. Option D, Brazil, Afghanistan and Chile. Correct answer, Canada, Mexico and USA. Which country launched Solar-1 space weather monitoring satellite? Option A, Japan. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, United States. Correct answer, United States. Which company developed the indigenous AI model area? Option A, Sarvam AI. Option B, Avatar AI. Option C, Kutrim AI. Option D, Bharat GPT. Correct answer, Avatar AI. Which port emerged as India's top container port in Container Port Performance Index 2025? Option A, Visakhapatnam Port. Option B, Mundra Port. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Option D, Chennai Port. Correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Mitri Abhiyan was launched in which year? Option A, 2014. Option B, 2018. Option C, 2016. Option D, 2019. Correct answer, 2016. Which honor did PM Narendra Modi receive from Indonesia in July 2026? Option A, highest civilian honor. Option B, Nobel Prize. Option C, Olympic Order. Option D, Bharat Ratna. Correct answer, highest civilian honor. Which country won the FIFA World Cup 2026? Option A, Argentina. Option B, Spain. Option C, Brazil. Option D, France. Correct answer, Spain. Which country won the men's Under-18 Asia Cup 2026 hockey title? Option A, India. Option B, Japan. Option C, Korea. Option D, Malaysia. Correct answer, India. Which country was elected to the UN Security Council for the first time for 2027-2028? Option A, Kyrgyzstan. Option B, Portugal. Option C, Austria. Option D, Zimbabwe. Correct answer, Kyrgyzstan. National Handloom Day is observed on option A, 5th August. Option B, 7th August. Option C, 9th August. Option D, 12th August. Correct answer, 7th August. Please like, comment and subscribe. Quiet India Movement Day is observed on option A, 8th August. Option B, 9th August. Option C, 15th August. Option D, 26th January. Correct answer 8 August. International Youth Day is observed on option A 10th August, option B 11th August, option C 12th August, option D 13th August. Correct answer 12th August. India celebrates Independence Day on option A 14 August, option B 15 August, option C 16 August, option D 26 January. Correct answer 15 August. World Humanitarian Day is observed on option A 18 August, option B 19 August, option C 20 August, option D 21 August. Correct answer 19th August. Sadbhavna Diwas is observed on option A 15 August, option B 19 August, option C 20 August, option D 29th August. Correct answer 20 August. National Sports Day in India is observed on option A 26 July, option B 15 August, option C 29 August, option D 31st August. Correct answer 29 August. International Day Against Nuclear Test is observed on 27th August, option B 28 August, option C 29th August, option D 30 August. Correct answer 29th August. National Small Industry Day is observed on option A 28th August, option B 29th August, option C 30 August, option D 31st August. Correct answer 30 August. Feet Week is observed from option A 1 to 7th August, option B 5th to 11th August, option C 7 to 14th August. World Breastfeed Week is observed from 1st to 7th August, option B 5th to 11th August, option C 7 to 14th August, option D 10 to 16th August. Correct answer 1st to 7th August. What was one of the target announced in PM Modi 2026? Option A 100 watt GW nuclear energy for 2047. Option B 50 gigawatt nuclear energy by 2030. Option C 10th gigawatt nuclear energy for 2027. Option D 500 gigawatt nuclear energy by 2035. Correct answer 100 gigawatt nuclear energy by 2047. How many nuclear reactors were announced as part of the 2026 Independence Day vision? Correct answer 5th. How many people were targeted for AI training under the announced plan? Option A past 1 lakh, option B 10 lakh, option C 1 crore, option D 5 crore. Correct answer 1 crore. How many semiconductor plants were mentioned in 2026 Independence Day announcement? Option A 4, option B 5th, option C 6th, option D 8th. Correct answer 8. What was the target for pipe gas network expansion mentioned in the Independence Day address? Option A 70 to 100 cities, option B 70 to 300 cities, option C 70 to 500 cities, option D 70 to 700 cities. Correct answer 70 to 700 cities. How many players were targeted under the Sports Talent Hunt initiatives announced in 2026? Option A 5 lakh, option B 10 lakh, option C 50 lakh, option D 1 crore. Right answer 50 lakh. India Express preparation for hosting which Olympic edition in 2036? Option A Summer Olympic, option B Winter Olympics, option C Youth Olympics only, option D Paralympic only. Correct answer Summer Olympics. What long-term national vision was reiterated in 2060 Independence Day address? Option A, Digital India 2030. Option B, Development India 2047. Option C, Green India 2050. Option D, New India 2030. Correct answer, Developed India 2047. Which historical song was associated with its 150 years milestone in the 2026 Independence Day address? Option A, Jana Gana Mana. Option B, सारे जहाज से अच्छा. Option C, वंदे मातरम. Option D, ए मेरे वतन के लोग. Correct answer, Vande Mataram. Recently, DK Shivkumar took oath as the Chief Minister of which state? Option A, Telangana. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer, Karnataka. Who assumed charge as India's third Chief of Defence Staff (CDS) in May 2026? Option A, General Manoj Pandey. Option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Option C, Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi. Option D, General Anil Chauhan. Correct answer, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Thank you so much friend watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share.